Sure about that. Last time he was knee deep in water.
Oh, did you know why we were sinking?
Your bilge pump wasn't working.
No. Couldn't keep up.
No, there's two flappers with like little check valves on the back of the boat.
Yeah,
so
where
water
the exhaust
comes,
pipes go out?
No. So when the water comes on the floor of the boat, it drains out the back.
Right.
They flap, they open up like this.
Right.
Well, what happened is the one was broke off where the six of us were standing. We were sinking the boat.
Yeah, well, I knew that. I was trying to tell
Your
everybody.
fat ass wasn't helping anything.
I was ready to go out on the bow because the fucking stern was going on there.
There was a lot.
That was the side catching fish.
Yeah, there was 1,000 pounds of men standing on the side, and I ain't got no check valve on the drain on the back. Woo! It's getting scary.
Man, that's a nice boat. Both those guys died in. That center console, like 225 on the back.
So they had two 125 engines on it?
No,
outboard?
No, just one outboard.
One outboard, 225 outboard. One 225.
Yeah, it was all that.
That's a lot of horsepower.
Oh, they jammed out. If you go out and take off and go 70 miles to go fishing, you're jammed. How long would it take to go 70 miles in the aquarium?
Yeah.
It would be way too long.
Hello?
Recording right now, though.
Oh, hey, Dan.
Go.
Look, your advertising.
At least you don't see the crack in my ass yet.
Well, we're looking for it.
Yeah, plumber my ass.
Good looking. Good looking. My butt crack's shy.
That's from there.
Hey. Dave, I want to whoop your ass and what's going to happen?
Just do your work.
Boy, my mom's paying you. Keep looking.
Pull your parker up, Danny. I want to see the crack.
You happy?
Oh, shoot.
I love you.
Is it still working?
Keep going until you're finished.
Uh-oh.
Oh, there you go.
Well, hello there, young lady.
Hey!
Danny! Alright, go away. Run. Go back.
Come here. Who let you? Who let you? I can't put my...
Shit, we got pizza.
Drink.
I'm going to wait on the shoes.
Smile. She doing?
There really is fucking dishes in here.
Really?
I'm trying to tell you, those are good china.
Dude, there's water all over the floor.
Dude, there ain't nothing I can do about that.
No, I just think it's funny.
Some idiot.
Catching that with your camera?
Wouldn't you think that you would drain this thing or do the dishes before you moved it?
Oh.
I would. Well, most people would.
Hey, better talk.
Dave tried to talk her into it.
Right. I said, you need to drain this thing and
You
make
wanna
sure
hold
the
it?
dishes are out of it.
I'm not sure I want to be any part of
What's
you
she
smashing
sniffing
all
on
the
me?
dishes.
Yeah, it's probably best you just leave her alone.
That's some good looking bread.
That does look good. I like to eat bread and rye bread.
brought that from school.
School bread?
Yeah.
Yeah, it looks like.
It's like
grilled ham and cheese. With
Oh,
cheese on
yeah.
that thing. Good spicy mustard.
Woohoo! So much for mopping.
Told you she was just trying to get you to do something.
Out of control.
Oh, you mother son of a bitch.
Good thing you're not scratching the floor.
Oh, I know. It's not mine. Because I can't believe. I'm like, this thing's so heavy. No wonder it is.
Is there dishes in it?
Yes.
So the ending was the floor.
Dishes, yeah, and they're half clean.
Well,
Where is he?
It's flooding.
Yeah. Don't make it all wet and nasty. Alright.
Hey, you want to come down the hills the 20th? Just keep it in mind. Okay. Hey, they're dirty days.
You got cooking?
Absolutely.
That's what I'm talking about.
We didn't want to let the dog out. So we locked the door.
Help him, Lulu.
Grab that drain and that water line in there, Dave, while I push this back. God, you're making a mess.
I think I saw this on the How Not To network.
Oh, shit.
Told you.
What?
I hope I can reach that wire back there. Well, I'm not the electrician, so.
I'm off the clock.
Oh, you son of a bitch.
I think your legs are too long. Let's do it again.
I think we have another throwaway piece.
I won't say it's gone.
I can't get it
Unless I'm asked a direct question.
I know nothing.
Oh, she's got wet paws.
Oh, we're fat.
Too fat. That's it.
Yeah, but this can't go on there anyways. It covers the controls.
Yeah, I think you had it on backwards.
I think it's
I mean, I think it's for a different model.
that's what I'm thinking. How the fuck do you do this thing?
Well, I had
I mean, it's got to stick out this way for enough to
plywood there before.
press
But
button.
now there's backerboard and slate, so you got a quarter inch that you had to compensate for.
Oh, I don't give a shit about this. What I'm saying is, how do you operate this thing?
You push the buttons on top of the door.
And then you shut the door?
Yeah.
Oh, so when you shut the door, you don't see the buttons.
Correct.
That's all I was asking.
Dude, can you get to that wire?
Dude, I hope so. No, it don't matter. I'll have to come back.
It's a wireless.
Next month. Okay. Dude.
I'm telling you, you better grab a wire.
Well, we need a towel, Dave. There's a
You
towel.
need-
Right here.